issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fall River, or near Columbus, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Columbus, Oregon, Juneau, Fall River, Burnett, Reedsville, Carmen, Lowell, Douglastown, Danville, South Beaver Dam, Minnesota Junction, and Leipzig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.